Verizon 5G home internet offers speeds up to 1 Gbps for standard plans or 2 Gbps for ultra in select areas, with real-world averages of 400 to 600 Mbps. T-Mobile caps at 245 Mbps, averaging 100 to 150 Mbps. Verizon starts at $70 per month for standard and $90 for ultra, plus taxes and fees. T-Mobile costs $50 per month, often $55 after autopay discounts. Both provide unlimited data, but Verizon deprioritizes after heavy usage, while T-Mobile applies it more aggressively. Remember that speeds rely on your location and proximity to cell towers. Verizon 5G Home covers approximately 190 million homes nationwide, with a strong focus on urban and suburban areas. T-Mobile reaches about 170 million households, with an emphasis on rural and underserved regions. Verizon suits high-demand users who need premium speeds in urban areas. T-Mobile is ideal for budget-conscious consumers or those in rural regions. Always check coverage maps and eligibility via zip code on provider websites to ensure service availability. According to FCC reports, Verizon excels in speed consistency with 95% uptime, while T-Mobile leads in coverage breadth, serving 20% more rural areas. T-Mobile offers a deprioritization-free option for an additional $10 per month, ensuring consistent performance during peak hours.